We begin with some new developments in a story you saw first here on CBS 2. A complaint has now been filed against an East Chicago, Indiana nursing home and a sex offender living there.
It's alleged the 90-year-old man sexually assaulted a fellow resident in the nursing home's care. And CBS 2 Suzanne Le Mignot, always investigating. She joins us now. Suzanne, the victim's family wants her name to be made public, and that's unusual.
Very rare, Joe. Her granddaughter, who has power of attorney for the dementia patient, wants everyone to know what happened with the hope of creating change in the system.
Attorneys for Ruth Reed filed this complaint. It alleges this man, Gerald McBride, sexually assaulted Reed by touching her breast while in her room here at Harbor Health and Rehab in East Chicago, Indiana on September 2nd. McBride, who also lives at the facility, is a registered sex offender. In 2008, he was convicted of child molesting and sentenced to 10 years behind bars. We're naming McBride because he's named in this complaint. He has not yet been arrested or charged in this case.
It is untenable to me that this man, this assailant, is still not been arrested. He has still not been arrested.
East Chicago, Indiana police say additional witnesses that have come forward still need to be interviewed as the investigation continues. McBride, who is 90 years old, admitted to police he sexually assaulted Reed, who is 96. He's still living at the facility.
What's particularly concerning to us is we don't understand how the facility has never notified any of its residents, as we understand it, of the existence of a sexual predator amongst them.
I had to take my grandmother to the emergency room to get an examination.
We asked Harbor Health and Rehab if they had a policy to alert residents and staff that a sex offender is living on the premises. We also asked if there's a comprehensive care plan in place for McBride. Indiana law requires that for a sexually violent predator. We never got direct responses to those questions. The facility told us in a statement, "We promptly reported the incident to state and local authorities in full compliance with Indiana regulations, initiating a comprehensive investigation." Indiana law does not require facilities to tell residents if there's a sex offender living among them.
I want the laws changed immediately.
Medicare.gov gives Harbor Health and Rehab a 1-star overall rating. Records uncovered by the CBS 2 investigators show the facility has been fined 4 times by the federal government in the past 3 years for nearly $60,000. A February 2023 complaint investigation from the Department of Health and Human Services Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services found the facility failed to notify the family of a patient who had fallen, follow up with a vital sign assessment 72 hours post-fall for 2 residents, manage a resident's medication, develop a baseline care plan for a resident within 48 hours of admission, and ensure the environment was clean and in good repair for residents.
We asked Harbor Health and Rehab what's being done to keep people safe in the facility with McBride still living there. We haven't heard back on that. As for the complaint investigation that you just saw there, the facility provided a plan of correction to address those issues. In the newsroom, Suzanne Le Mignot, CBS 2 News.
Suzanne, thank you for that update.